This iPhone tip can save you time at mapapadali nito ang buhay mo. Here are iPhone tips you don't wanna miss. Tara, let's get started. Ever made a typo and had to backspace forever just to fix one sentence? Just shake your iPhone, that's right. Give it a quick shake and it will ask if you want to undo your last action. Works with text, deleting messages, and more. Di mo na kailangan pindutin ng todo ang backspace mo. This also works the other way around. Nagkamali ka ng type or accidentally na-delete mo yung long paragraph mo, just shake your iPhone and lalabas ang undo typing. Tap undo and yes, naibalik agad ang tinatype mo. Tip number 2, nasa dulo ka ng feed or yung page mo when you are scrolling your social media. Tapos gusto mong bumalik sa pinakataas. Ang gagawin natin is to scroll lang ng scroll, di ba? Or exit the app then open the app again. So, a quick solution is just tap the top part of the screen, yung clock area or yung may status bar. And then, yeah, mag-scroll to top agad without no effort at all. Tip number 3, copy-paste using tap, hold, and select. Medyo hassle, di ba? Well, we can use this method instead. Pinch 3 fingers to copy, spread 3 fingers to paste, swipe with 3 fingers to undo or redo. Just use the 3-finger gesture method. So if you want more of iPhone hacks, make sure to follow, comment, and react.